بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبنات طلاب الصف الخامس ابتدائي لغات، ازيكم يا حبايبي؟ عاملين ايه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. النهارده ان شاء الله هنكمل حل كتاب المعاصر كورس تدريبات الترم الثاني عام الدراسي 2025 exam number 2. question number 1 choose the correct answer. number 1 23 over 6 is equivalent to space. 23 divided by 6 equal what? We know 3 times 6 equal 18 and remainder 5 because 5 plus 18 equal 23. This example we convert from improper to mixed number, right? 23 over 6. Look at this me here. We have 23 divided by 6. Write 6 here again and ask yourself 6 times what? Equal number nearest to 23. Table 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. Count from 18 to 23. Just after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The remainder will be 5. So we must write 3 and 5 over 6. Next question. The quadrilateral which has no line of symmetry is space. We know parallelogram hasn't any line symmetry. But rectangle has two line symmetry. What about line symmetry? Line symmetry is a straight line which divided the shape into equal parts. Two equal parts. Rectangle has two line symmetry and rhombus has two line symmetry. And square has four line symmetry. So the quadrant which has no line of symmetry is parallelogram. Next question number 3. The decimal represent shaded part is. We have half of the circle colored. Half equal 0.5. Because half equal 50% or half we can convert from fraction to decimal by product by 2 numerator, product by 5 numerator and denominator. 1 times 5 5 and 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the result will be 5 tenths. Next question. The volume of rectangular prism whose dimensions 5 4 3 is. Find the volume. The volume equal product between three dimensions, length and width and height. Length times width times height. Length here was 5 and width 4, product by 3. 4 times 5 20, 20 times 3 equal 60. Then the result will be 60 cubic centimeter. ناخد بالنا حبايبي ان الريكتانجل بريزم ده اللي هو الكيوبويد، يعني قول لي هات الفوليوم الكيوبويد اللي هو ريكتانجل بريزم. نيجي نرسمه اعمل كده. The base is rectangle and rectangle prism has 8 vertices and 6 faces and 12 edges. Next question. Force divided by C equal 1 over 24. We can find the C. Here is the divisor. Divisor equals the quotient divided by the dividend. Then C will be equal 1 over 24 product. Reciprocal of force will be 4 over 1. And then we can simplest 4 divided by 4 1. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So the result will be 1 over 6. Next question. Force plus 3 and 7 over 8 equal 4 plus what? We can add two numbers together to find the result and then subtract by 4. Okay? Look at me here. We can write 1 over 4. يعني حبايبي ما تيجي تحل الاكزامبل ده لازم تخلي الدينوميريتور زي بعضه. Product by 2 numerator and numerator. Then the result will be 2 over 8. 1 times 2 and 2 times 4 plus 3 and 7 over 8. And then we can add together. Write it in numerator and 3 here. 7 plus 2 equal 9. And then you can simplest 9 divided by 8 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 9 divided by 8 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4 and the remainder 1 from 8. 1 over 8. Then the result will be 4 plus 1 over 8. Write 1 over 8 here. Then the result will be, choose letter C, 1 over 8. Next question. And product by 5 over 9. We can divide it 9 by 9 1. 9 divided by 9, 1 times 5 equal 5. Okay, the result will be 5. Question: area of rectangle whose length 3 cm and width 2 and third. We can find the area equal length product by width. The length was 3 and width equal 2 and third. We can convert from mixed number to improper. Write 3 in numerator and 2 times 3 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then 3 divided by 3 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. Then the area will be 7 square centimeter. Question: 7 and 3/4 hours equals space hours and minutes. We know 7 hours. And how many minutes? We know 3/4 hours equal 45 minutes. يعني حبيبي اما يقول لك 7 hours and 3/4 hours بتجزأها، بتكتب هنا في السبيس الاول number of hours اللي هي 7 وال 3/4 hour هي 45 minutes. 3/4 hour طبعا الاور كلها 60 minutes. fourth of hour 15 and half of hour 30 and 3/4 of hour equal 45 minutes اللي هي 15 plus 15 plus 15 لأن الفورس بالنسبة للhour 15 يبقى 15 plus 15 plus 15 equal 45. then يعني تختار letter B. question: Ahmed bought 2 and 2 kilogram of grapes. He used 2 each kilogram of grapes to make juice. How many kilograms are left? We can find the remainder. We can raise the total amount to 2 and 2 over 8 subtract by 2 over 8. Then the remainder will be 2 because 2 8 subtract 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 equal 2. Then the remainder will be 2 kilogram. Next question. 1 and 5 over 9 add 2d equals 3 and 7 over 9. Then we can find d by. Find the difference between two mixed number. 3 and 7 over 9 subtract by 1 and 5 over 9. 3 minus 1 equal 2, and then we can find the difference. 7 minus 5 equal 2. So the result will be 2 and 2 ninths. Okay. Question: this is the base area of cube with each length 8 cm and the volume 512 cubic centimeter. هو عايز هنا base area. طيب أنا عندي الرول بالنسبة للفوليوم، بالنسبة للكيوب أو الكيوبويد base area times corresponding height. هنا عندي الفوليوم كان 512. طيب هو قال لي هنا each length 8 سنتيمتر. خلاص. طيب أنت عارف برضو إن الفوليوم عبارة عن إيه؟ base times. هو جاب لك هنا اللينز بتاع مين؟ whose each length 8 سنتيمتر. طيب خد بالك إن الأول سايد اللي عندك بيكونوا زي بعض. يعني لما تيجي تجيب الفوليوم بالنسبة للكيوبويد أو للكيوب، هو ده كيوب يبقى لينس تايمز لينس تايمز لينس. يعني تشوف مين digit product by itself هيعطيك 512 اللي هو ال 8. فاهم؟ يعني هنا اللينس هنا 8 وهنا 8. كل 8 لينس عند أو each ب 8 سنتيمتر. What is the base area of cube whose each is 8 سنتيمتر and the volume 512؟ ده مباشرة، لأن البيس area بالنسبة للكيوب عبارة عن side by side، لأن البيس اللي عندي بيكون سكوير والاريا السكوير سايد باي سايد. فاللينس اللي عندي هعمله برودكت باي اتسيلف، يعني 8 تايمز 8 equals 64 سكوير سنتيمتر. يبقى دي بالنسبة للاريا بالنسبة للبيس. ليه؟ لأن البيس سكوير واريا اوف سكوير سايد باي سايد، والسايد عندي كان ب 8 لأن الأول دايمنشنز كواليتي. يبقى أنا كده مش محتاج الفوليوم في حاجة. جراف ذا بوينت ذا كوردينيت. أنا بمثل البوينت اللي عندي دي على الكوردينيت الموجودة، وبعدين what is the name of the shape. Point A is the order 3 and 2. Look at here. 3 start from 3 and going up 2 units. Here point and point B 3 and 6 start from 3 going up to 6. It's point B. Point C 5 and 6 start from 5 and going up to 6. Here it's point C. And point D 5 and 2 start from 5 going up 2 units. Here. Then we have rectangle. Join each point by the ruler and then draw like this. So we have rectangle. We called it we called it rectangle. Understood؟ يبقى تكتب هنا بقول لي what is the name of the shape? We called it rectangle. Next question number 5. Omar owns a car park. Length 3 meter and width is 2.5 meter. What is the area of parking? The area of parking is length times width, product between two dimensions. Length was 3 meter and width 2.5. We can write 3 product by 2.5. We can convert from mixed number to improper. Write 2 in the numerator, 2 times 2 4 plus 1 5. And then you can sample 3 times 5 15 and 2. 15 divided by 2, we can sample it. Write to the numerator, 15 divided by 2 equals 7 and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 7.5 square meter. Next question. Number 6, it's opposite figure. The fraction of shaded sector will be what? We know 7 over 10 plus 5 over 20 plus the colored part equal 1. So the colored part would be 1 subtract the sum between two fractions. 1 subtract 7 over 10 and 5 over 10 of 20. We can write 1 here equal 20 over 20 because the least multiplication between all the numerator here 20. Or you can sample this by divided by 5 numerator and denominator. 1 subtract by 7 over 10, add to 5 divided by 5 1 and 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Then the result will be 1 subtract by, we can write here the least multiplication between them equal 20. يبقى انت عندك هنا الافضل عشان ما تتلخبطش معايا. بص يا حبيبي هنا 20 وهنا 10، ال 20 كان divided by 10 يبقى 20 least multiplication. يبقى الافضل انت تعمل ايه مباشرة؟ انت تخلي ال least multiplication للall fractions اللي هو 20. خلاص هنا 2 times 10 20 2 times 7 equal 14. يبقى انا عندي 20 over 20 subtract by، هكتب هنا 20 واقول 14 plus 5 equal 19. يبقى 20 minus 9 1 يبقى 1 over 20 in denominator. نكتب هنا 20 يبقى reflection 1 over 20 ده الفريكشن بتاعك. next question find the result 3 product 1.5. 3.5 الأول 3 times 5 15 5 and carry up 1 1 times 3 3 plus 1 equal 4. then the result will be 4.5.